Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a texture pack for Minecraft 1.17.1. To begin, first you want to go and open up a new Explorer, and up here write %appdata%. Here you'll find these folders. The first one is .minecraft, and you want to open this. Then you want to go down to versions. Choose the version that you want to do. I'm going to do HUD HD UG9. Double click to open this folder, and all you need is this Java file. Copy this, and in a folder where you want to make your pack, paste it. It may take a few seconds to copy. Once you're here, using a program like WinRAR or 7-zip, press extract files. Do not press extract here. Once it's done, you'll see this. Open the new folder. In here, there'll be a few thousand files of all of the class files in this folder. The one where you want to go to edit the files is Assets. Under here, go to Minecraft, Textures, and choose any type of texture you want. I'm going to do an entity texture. Choose any entity you want to edit. I'll do a creeper for this example. In here, you'll see two images, the armor and the base creeper image. If you open this image, you'll see that this has the texture of the creeper in it. Open this in a photo editing program. Once in this program, select a pencil tool or a tool that is only 1 pixel wide. To edit this photo, we're simply going to choose a color and draw on this texture. I will add a headband to this creeper. To save this photo, press File, Save As, and save it as creeper.png in the same folder. Press Yes to replace the file. You can close out of your editing program. When you double click this image now, there will be the headband or whatever you added to your texture on it. To compile this folder, you'll now need to make a new text document. Call this pack.mcmeta. Click Yes. Double click to open this. Once you're in this, copy and paste the code down in the description. Save. You can add any description. The pack format for 1.17.1 should be a 7. This is important, otherwise it will say that it is invalid or outdated for the Minecraft version. Save. You can now close this. Here you can press Ctrl and click on pack.mcmeta, pack.png, and scroll all the way up to the top and click on Assets. Click Add to Archive. Browse to the folder before. Name this pack.zip. It will now compile. To install the pack, open App Data. Go back to Minecraft and go to resource packs. In here, you'll see any resource packs that you have already put in. Just drag this zip file into there. Now launch Minecraft. Now that we're in game, I'll show you how to enable this. First, go into Options, then to Resource Packs. As you can see, you will see your pack.zip. Just press this button and press Done. The game will reload and you will see your resource pack is enabled. To see the changes, get the texture you edited. As you can see, our creepers now have a headband, and you can also see it on their head. Thank you, and please remember to like and subscribe.